Concepts in 90 seconds. Make use of your time effectively. Listen to the concept, subscribe, and then do something else. Woohoo! Welcome to another Concepts in 90 seconds video. What is viable environmental monitoring? Viable environmental monitoring is a sampling of surfaces, air and liquids related directly and indirectly to the manufacturing of sterile and non-sterile products. Both these types of manufacturing are conducted aseptically to reduce the chance of contamination, so knowing how much, if any, contamination is present is what VEM tells you. In manufacturing, you want to make sure your processes are working within established parameters, and VEM is an important indicator of this. Well, that was Viable Environmental Monitoring, or VEM, in 90 seconds or thereabouts. If you found this interesting or informative, hit the like button, hit subscribe, and then hit notify to be informed when more videos are posted by me.